Hello everyone, today is 16 July 2021. Our today's topic is methods in object class. So let's first understand what is object class. Object class is the parent class for all the classes in Java by directly or indirectly. For example, I create a class XYZ, so the XYZ class is not inherited by the any other classes. So for XYZ the parent class is object class. So we can say that XYZ is directly connected to the object class. Now I create a class A, then I create a class B that extends class A, then I create a class C that extends class B. So for class C the parent class is class B, and for class B the parent class is class A, but for class A the parent class is object class. Means in that example the class A is directly connected to the object class, but class B and C are indirectly connected to the object class. So we can say that in Java all the classes are directly or indirectly connected to the object class. Methods of the object class are present in java.lang package. Actually, methods of objects show common behavior to all the object, that is, it can be clone, it can be notified, it can be equals, etc. Let's see each methods of object one by one. So the first method is toString method. So in toString method it will give the representation of the string, and it will also use to convert object into the string. The syntax of the toString method is public string toString. Let's take an example. For example, I create a class student, and from the main method I call the object of the student class, that is student s is equals to new student. So in C# statement I write s. So here I am trying to print the object. So whenever we are trying to print an object, internally JVM calls toString method. So the output of that object is followed by the class name, package name, and a unique hexadecimal code. Now let's see the another method, that is hash code. So a unique ID is given to the every object is nothing but the hash code. For example, I create a class student. In that class I create a method that is roll number. Then I override the hashcode method, and in hashcode method I return public int hashcode, and inside the method I call roll number. So the output of the class is student at the rate something, means student at the rate followed by the unique code. Student is our class name, so we can simply say that class name followed by the unique digit. Now the next method is equals to. So the equals method syntax is public boolean equals. So it is a very important method. In that method we are compare two string. In that method we are compare two objects. For example, I create a class employee. In that I initialize my two instance variable, that is int id and string name. Then I create a parameterized constructor to initialize these two instance variable, and from the main method I am make an object of the employee class. So employee1 is equals to new employee, and I pass the id and name to the parameter to the object. So I passed first 1 and Java. Then I create again object of that employee class. So the employee2 is equals to new employee, and again I pass the same value, that is 1 and Java. In that case, when I call sysout s1 equals to s2, so it will show the boolean condition, that is true, because both s1 and s2 object contain same data. For example, if I pass the different values, so it will give the answer false, because both s1 and s2 object are contains different data. In this manner the equals methods work. Now the next method is finalize method. So in the finalize method is called by the garbage collector when no object is pointing to the when no reference variable are pointing to the object. Now our next method is get class method. So it simply give the class name. That's all about methods of object class. Thank you so much.